OSI model for a beginner to understand how the internet works. Have you ever thought about how your message on WhatsApp or a YouTube video goes from a server far away to your phone or laptop? This happens because of the OSI model, which is a framework that helps computers talk to each other over a network like the internet. What is the OSI model? The OSI model means Open Systems Interconnection Model. It's like a guide that shows how different systems, like your phone and a website, talk to each other over the internet. The 7 layers of the OSI model. Application layer. You see this. This layer refers to applications you utilize, such as web browsers, like Chrome, email services such as Gmail, or messaging platforms like WhatsApp. Presentation layer, the translator. It ensures the information is in the correct way. It encrypts, compresses, or translates the data, turning text into binary, or encrypting it for security. Session layer, the chat manager. It keeps track of conversations between devices. It initiates, reorganizes, and concludes connections, sessions. Transport layer ensures delivery. It breaks your message into smaller parts, called segments, and makes sure all parts get to the right place correctly. Network layer finds the route. It chooses the best path for data to travel across networks. Uses IP addresses to identify where to send data. Data link layer moves data within a network. It transfers information within your local network by utilizing MAC addresses. Responsible for reviewing for errors. Physical layer, hardware level. Sends raw bits, 0 seconds and 1 second, over cables, radio signals, Wi-Fi, or fiber optics. A real-life example. Food delivery to your door. Application layer. You place the order. You open the food delivery app, like GrabFood or DoorDash or Zomato or Eat. Club. Choose sushi, burrito, burgers, mojito, also few snacks and hit order. This is the part you directly interact while using a browser or app. Presentation layer. The menu translator. The app converts your choice into a format the restaurant system understands. It also encrypts your payment info. Session layer. Keeping the connection. The app maintains a session between your phone and the restaurant system while you order and track. The layer makes sure the communication stays open and organized. Transport layer, splitting and tracking the order. Your order is divided into different sections like food, address and payment, and sent separately, but everything needs to arrive and be correct. The layer splits and reassembles data, ensuring nothing is missing or duplicated. Network layer, finding the best route. The system uses your address to find the best delivery route to your home. This layer is just like how data uses IP addresses to find the best path through networks. Data link layer, local road navigation. The delivery driver uses your street and building number to reach your exact location. This layer is just like how data is moved within the local network using MAC addresses. Physical layer, the delivery vehicle. The scooter, car, or bike physically moves the food to your door. This layer is all about the actual hardware like cables, signals, Wi-Fi that carry your data. One more real-life example in short, manga delivery from Japan. If you're a manga fan ordering limited edition volumes from Japan, here's how it compares. Application, you place the order on a manga website. Presentation, the site encrypts your credit card info. Session, a session keeps your cart and login active. Transport, your order is tracked and split if you ordered more manga volumes. Network, the shipping system plans the international route. Data link, local postal services move it from hub to hub. Physical, planes, trucks, and mailmen physically deliver the manga to your doorstep. The OSI model might sound technical, but it's just a way to understand how data moves from one place to another, step by step, layer by layer. So next time you send a message, stream a video, or make a Zoom call, remember that you're not just clicking buttons, you're navigating through 7 layers of digital communication.